Sometimes, existing and new construction concrete surfaces can be rough, having minor defects or air voids, making a structure look less than perfect, if not a little unsightly. MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE by W.R. Meadows is great for filling and smoothing minor surface defects, rough surfaces, repairing honeycombs, and dressing up bug holes, air voids, and other small surface imperfections. It provides an excellent concrete wash, parging, or sacking material to provide an ultra-smooth finish on concrete walls, precast concrete, cast-in-place concrete, and existing concrete and block. MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE may be used for interior and exterior applications. All in a single product, MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE is also designed to smooth minor surface defects and elevations on concrete slabs, both on-grade and elevated, before installing floor coverings. It has excellent bond, freeze-thaw resistance, as well as higher strength and durability, resulting in longer-lasting resurfacing. MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE can be applied up to 1/8 inch for resurfacing and smoothing, and up to 1/2 inch in vertical single applications to fill small minor defects before resurfacing. This versatile, easy-to-mix and apply product offers superior adhesion and durability. MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE is a single-component, polymer-modified, cement-based, sands-free material. It's not a vapor barrier and contains no added gypsum. When mixed, its creamy consistency has excellent workability for trowel applications. MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE has a unique extended set time, which allows for an enhanced, longer working time. This longer working time reduces waste and increases production, since less time is used on making small mixes and more time on application. Surface preparation. Before applying MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE, mechanically roughen or use a high-pressure water jet to roughen the existing concrete substrate to a minimum concrete surface profile of CSP2 or higher, depending on the substrate condition. Remove all unsound concrete and provide a profiled, porous surface. Be sure that the substrate is structurally sound and free of dust, grease, oil, dirt, curing compounds, release agents, and any other surface or penetrated contaminants that could adversely affect the bond. The substrate must be saturated, then surface dry and free of standing water before applying product. Mixing. Mix MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE in a clean container. You may mix it by hand, but it's easier to use a variable speed drill with a Jiffy-type mixer at 400 to 600 RPM. Using only complete bags, add 5½ to 6 quarts of clean water for each bag of MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE. Slowly add the powder to the water and mix to the desired consistency. A versatile mix ratio allows the applicator to adjust the mix by adding 1 pint of water to the desired consistency. Using more than this will reduce the product's strength, causing crazing, and might cause dusting under rapid drying conditions. Mix for 3 minutes or until the product is lump-free. Do not overmix. The properly mixed product should have the consistency of a light, creamy, clay-like material that is easily worked but not free-flowing. Do not mix more material than can be placed and finished in 45 minutes at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To increase durability, hardness, and bond, you can replace half of the mixing water with W.R. Meadows Acrylock. Doing this will also help the curing process during rapid drying conditions. Do not add any admixtures. Exceeding liquid requirements will result in reduced physical properties. Placement. When applying MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE, be sure that the minimum ambient and surface temperatures are 45 degrees Fahrenheit and rising. Do not apply it when the temperature is below 45 degrees Fahrenheit or when rain is imminent. As mentioned before, the surface must be saturated and surface dry and free of standing water. Using a brush or trowel, apply MEADOW-PATCH SMOOTH-GRADE by compacting or scrubbing the material well against the properly prepared substrate, forcing it into all pores and voids. The maximum application thickness should not exceed 1/8 inch when resurfacing or 1/2 inch when filling minor surface defects before resurfacing. Note that feather edging might result in reduced durability and performance. Finish the surface with a steel or wooden trowel or a sponge float. Never retemper. Curing. Cure according to ACI 308, or use a suitable water-based curing compound from W.R. Meadows. Do not use solvent-based curing compounds. Protect treated surfaces from conditions that might cause early water loss, like temperatures over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, high winds, direct sun, and/or low humidity.